Ever hold a Samsung Galaxy phone and wonder, how'd they make this? These smartphones don't just magically appear in stores, they're the result of a complex, fascinating journey from drawing board to your pocket. Today, we're going inside a Samsung factory to see how it's done. We're talking massive scale here. Samsung's cranking out millions of these phones, pushing the limits of technology and manufacturing. Join me as we pull back the curtain and explore the intricate process behind your Galaxy phone. Get ready to be amazed. Samsung's phone-making operation isn't just one factory, it's a global network. We're talking massive facilities in South Korea, the company's homeland, plus Vietnam and India. Each location plays a key role from initial design to final assembly. It all starts with an idea. Designers and engineers work tirelessly, sketching, modeling, and prototyping the next generation of Galaxy phones. Then the real magic happens, turning those designs into reality. From tiny microchips to dazzling displays, Samsung's factories handle it all. It's a symphony of technology, innovation, and human skill. Buckle up, we're going deeper into the heart of the operation. Imagine a room buzzing with creativity, where engineers and designers collaborate to bring the future of mobile technology to life. That's Samsung's R&D department, the birthplace of every Galaxy phone. Using cutting-edge software, they craft sleek designs, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. They're not just thinking about looks, they're obsessing over functionality, user experience, and durability. And it's not just human brains at work. Samsung leverages the power of artificial intelligence and automation to accelerate the design process, analyze data, and optimize every detail. This blend of human ingenuity and technological prowess is what sets Samsung apart. Now let's talk components. Samsung doesn't just assemble phones, they build the core parts too. We're talking powerful Exynos processors, stunning AMOLED displays, high-resolution camera modules, the works. This in-house production gives Samsung incredible control over quality and innovation. Think of it like a master chef using only the freshest, finest ingredients. Inside these factories, you'll find rows of robots working with mind-boggling precision. They're placing microscopic components onto circuit boards, assembling camera modules, and testing batteries, all at lightning speed. It's a mesmerizing dance of automation, a testament to Samsung's commitment to cutting-edge manufacturing. Section 5, the assembly line, where robots meet precision. Now for the main event, the assembly line. This is where the magic happens, where raw materials and components are transformed into the sleek, powerful devices we use every day. Imagine a massive, brightly lit space where robotic arms move with balletic grace, each motion meticulously programmed for maximum efficiency. And amidst this dance of technology, skilled workers ensure every step is flawless, their keen eyes catching any imperfections that might slip through. This is where the Galaxy phone truly comes to life. Each component, from the smallest screw to the most advanced chip, is assembled with precision. Automated machines apply adhesives with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that every part is securely in place. Robotic screwdrivers then secure components, each turn of the screw perfectly calibrated. Conveyor belts whisk the phones from one station to the next, each stop adding another layer of complexity and functionality. It's a symphony of precision and efficiency, where every element works in harmony to create a product that is both beautiful and functional. But it's not all robots. The human touch is still very much a part of the process. Human eyes and hands are essential for the final touches. Workers inspect and adjust phone components, ensuring that each device meets the highest standards. Skilled technicians inspect each phone, making minute adjustments that machines simply can't handle. Their expertise ensures that every phone is perfect. They ensure the highest quality standards are met, catching any issues that might have been missed by the automated systems. It's this combination of human expertise and robotic precision that makes each Galaxy phone a marvel of modern manufacturing. The blend of cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship ensures that every device is built to last, offering users an unparalleled experience. Section 6. Putting the Galaxy to the test. Before a Samsung Galaxy phone leaves the factory, it goes through rigorous testing. This isn't just a quick once-over, it's a comprehensive evaluation designed to push the phone to its limits. Think of it as boot camp for your phone. Each device is subjected to a series of demanding tests that simulate real-world scenarios and beyond. We're talking drop tests onto hard surfaces where the phone is dropped from various heights to ensure it can withstand the occasional fall. Dunks in water tanks to check for waterproofing, ensuring that accidental spills or even a quick dip won't render your phone useless. And hours of battery life testing, where the phone is put through continuous use to make sure it can keep up with your daily demands without dying on you. Samsung wants to ensure your phone can handle the rigors of everyday life, from the moment you wake up and check your messages to the late-night scrolling before bed. From accidental drops to unexpected splashes, these tests are designed to mimic the unpredictable nature of daily life. They even test the displays for color accuracy and responsiveness, ensuring that every image and video looks vibrant and every touch is registered instantly, because nobody wants a dull or laggy screen. A phone's display is its window to the world, and Samsung makes sure that window is crystal clear and highly responsive. These tests aren't just for show, they are meticulously designed to ensure that every phone that leaves the factory is of the highest quality. They're a testament to Samsung's commitment to quality and durability, reflecting the company's dedication to providing the best possible product to its customers, ensuring that every Galaxy phone meets the highest standards. Only the strongest survive this rigorous process, ready to be your reliable companion in the digital world. Section 7, From Factory Floor to Your Doorstep. This is the story of how your Galaxy phone makes its incredible journey from the factory floor to your hands. The journey's almost over for our Galaxy phone. After months of meticulous design and engineering, the phone is finally assembled. Each component from the screen to the battery is carefully put together by skilled technicians and advanced machinery. It's passed all the tests, including rigorous quality control checks. These tests ensure that every phone meets the highest standards of performance and durability. Technicians run a series of diagnostics to check for any defects or issues. Now, it's ready for the real world. The phone is placed on a conveyor belt, moving through the final stages of production. Each phone is given a final inspection to ensure it is flawless. The final stage involves loading the software, which is the heart of the phone. Technicians install the latest operating system and essential apps, ensuring that the phone is ready to use right out of the box. Carefully placing the phone in its packaging designed with sustainability in mind is the next step. The packaging is made from eco-friendly materials reflecting our commitment to the environment. Workers then prepare it for shipping. Each package is sealed and labeled, ready to be sent out to customers around the world. From the factory, these phones travel by land, loaded onto trucks that transport them to various shipping hubs. They also travel by sea and air, ensuring that they reach their destinations as quickly and efficiently as possible. Cargo ships and airplanes carry thousands of phones across continents. Reaching warehouses and distribution centers worldwide, the phones are sorted and prepared for the final leg of their journey. These centers play a crucial role in managing the logistics of getting the phones to their final destinations. And finally, they arrive at their destination, your local mobile phone store. Here the phones are unloaded and displayed, ready for eager customers to pick up, ready for you to take home. The moment you purchase your new Galaxy phone, you become part of this incredible journey, from the factory floor to your doorstep. It's a massive logistical operation, involving countless workers and sophisticated technology. Every step is carefully planned and executed to ensure that each phone reaches its new owner in perfect condition, ensuring that millions of Galaxy phones reach eager customers all over the globe. This intricate process is a testament to the dedication and hard work of everyone involved, making sure that your phone is ready for you to enjoy. Section 8. The Journey of a Samsung Phone. From a spark of an idea to a finished product in your hands, we've witnessed the incredible journey of a Samsung Galaxy phone. We've seen the design process, the component manufacturing, the assembly line magic, the rigorous testing, and the global distribution network. It's a testament to human ingenuity, technological innovation, and the power of global collaboration. The next time you hold a Samsung Galaxy phone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there. Section 9. What amazed you the most? So what part of this behind-the-scenes look at Samsung's phone manufacturing amazed you the most? Was it the robotic precision, the rigorous testing, or the sheer scale of the operation? Let me know in the comments below.